Hi dear students, how are you? Today's topic is very important. Every student of the university of any class must know the state, elements of state or the organs of state. Today's topic is organs of the state. Every state of the world is consisting of three organs: the legislature, the executive, and the judiciary. The legislature is the most important of the three organs. It alone knows the wishes, hopes, and aspirations of the people, and to it belongs the task of embodying these into laws. The laws made by legislature are implemented and executed by the executive and applied by the judiciary for the betterment of people without any discrimination. Legislature is that organ of state which makes and promulgates laws for the whole country in accordance with the wishes and aspirations of the people. It consists of representatives of the people elected through direct or indirect electoral process. An assembly of people's representatives brought together for the purpose of making laws is called house or chamber. A legislature consists of a single chamber. Single chamber is called a unicameral legislature. A legislature consists of two houses or chambers is called bicameral legislature. Legislature performs essential functions as to represent and reflect all sections and interests in the nation or a state. Most of the important countries have two chambers, chamber legislature or bicameral legislature. Almost all federal states, including Pakistan, United States of America, Britain, Russia, Japan, and India, have bicameral legislature. The American Congress is composed of the House of Representatives and the Senate. The two chambers of Indian Parliament are the Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. Pakistan's Parliament or Majlis-e-Shura consists of two houses, the National Assembly and the Senate. The second chamber or Senate is considered necessary for any federal state. In second or upper chamber, all provinces or federating units have equal representation, so that interests of all units, provinces could be equally secured or protected. The Parliament of Bangladesh, Jatiya Sangsad, is unicameral. The functions of legislature are varied from country to country. In Britain, Parliament or legislature enjoys absolute sovereignty. It is said that it can do everything but cannot make a man a woman and woman a man. The Congress of USA is mixture of powers. Pakistan and Indian legislature is also powerful or sovereign. Now, functions of legislature. Number 1, legislation. The prime function of legislature is to make laws. It passes new laws, amends or repeals old ones when it becomes obsolete or when required. A law is first presented before the legislature as a bill or legislative proposal. When passed, it becomes an act or law. Under political system of United States, the law passed by the Congress is subject to the veto or approval of the President and can be declared ultra-virus by the Supreme Court. In India and Pakistan, laws passed by legislature cannot be called in question by the President or Supreme Court. Normally, laws are passed in parliamentary system by the political parties or parties in power. Number 2, financial function or control over finance. The legislature has control over national finance. It has power to grant money to the government, which cannot collect taxes without its approval. No taxation without representation is a famous dictum of democracy. The reason is that the legislature, as representative of the people, is the custodian of their interest and public money. It supervises the revenue and expenditure of the government, reviews them by discussing and passing the national budget presented in the legislature before the beginning of a new financial year. Number 3, control over the executive or administrative functions. The legislature controls the executive. The cabinet is responsible to the legislature. Its members are chosen from among the members of legislature in a parliamentary form. If the cabinet fails to satisfy the members, they can pass a vote of censure or no confidence or lack of confidence. Consequently, the ministry has to resign. In the presidential form of government, there is no such control of the executive due to the separation of powers, but legislature is also able to control it indirectly through its control over money. In United States of America, the Constitution has given the Senate the power of ratifying treaties negotiated by the President. By exercising this power effectively, the Senate can easily influence the foreign policy or national policy pursued by the President. Number 4, judicial function. As the head of executive is elected from the parliament and has power to appoint the judges. Some legislature has power to impeach high political officials of the state. U.S. Congress enjoys the power to impeach the President and other officers of state. In Britain, the House of Lords is the highest court of appeal. The legislature generally enjoys the power of dismissing judges for misconduct through a constitutional procedure. Number 5, constituent or amending functions. Only legislature has power to amend or repeal the Constitution. Parliament is sovereign in amending any article of the Constitution. There is no any bar on the Parliament to amend the Constitution. Number 6, electoral function. The legislature also performs electoral functions in Pakistan and India. The members of Parliament elects the President. In the United States of America, Congress has no such power. In parliamentary system, legislature elects Prime Minister, Speaker and Deputy Speakers of Assembly. Number 7, ventilation of grievances. The member express their view freely and openly, criticizes the policies of government and ventilates their grievances. The government in power is bound to redress their grievances. Even the members of government or party in power criticize the decisions of political party in power. It is due to the strengthening of democratic values and global support for the basic rights of people. Number 8. Deliberative functions. Laws should be reasoned without passion. There must be no hassle, no hurry, no passional or emotional outburst while making laws. Laws must be properly discussed and deliberated upon before they are made laws. The legislative organ of state performs various functions of great importance besides its basic or primary function of lawmaking. The function of legislature enhanced with the growing awareness of modern society, increasing pressure of public opinion, and emerging needs of modern times and requirement. The political system of present era is mostly democratic and directly elected by the people. The parliament cannot go against the wishes of public opinion or even opposition parties. The parliament has to consider the wishes of all people of a country as these people elect them. The political parties have become powerful so that parliament is subject to the wishes of all political parties and even the remarks and judgments of the apex courts of country. The Supreme Court of USA has become all powerful, hence Congress has to consider the decisions of apex court. There are certain limits over the powers of parliament in the world. They cannot pass any law against religion, morality, other country of the world and international political system. Even the Parliament of Britain, which is sovereign, cannot pass any law against these norms. Any political party even enjoys absolute majority in Parliament cannot pass anti-people or anti-religion law. The political system, development of democratic values and global support for collective betterment of humanity has clipped the wing of Parliament. Thank you. Wish you good luck. Keep writing and remember,